Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I've seen some of I've seen a news that is pretty shockable news in Bangladesh, and this news published by NTB, I mean AT&TB might be, but or NTB. So I don't know. I can't memorize this, which TV channel or published this news. By the way, the news is pretty shockable and pretty dangerous. There is some of uh, criminal, they are cyber criminal, you can call them. They call you via WhatsApp, emo, Viber, whatever, which kind of apps has available to video call. They can anyway, they can connect your phone number or your WhatsApp number, and they just call you, and they just record a video from you that you're trying to talking to them. But when we try to talking to new person, that we have a huge curiosity that we need to talk to them, and we have a huge curiosity, but that movement they are just recording, and just for only 30 seconds or 20 seconds or more than, maybe. So and then they automatically cut the call, and then they add some of bad videos, clips, which in this recording, in this screen record, that is, I don't want to use some of words here, just trying to guess these words. uh So that is the biggest problem. I have made a video about this problem in Bangla language. So if you want to watch this video, you can check it out, BGS Technology Bangla. So they just, what they want, they just blackmail you that if you give us money, and other, if you don't give us money, we'll publish the video to your friends, to your family members, and everybody just think about it. You are the bad person, you are like this. So especially the girls, they face this problem a lot, and the boys are not beyond them. The boys are also face this problem. So we must be need to be careful before talking them. And when someone call us unknown number, and we must be in, if they call in video call any unknown from any unknown number, we must be need to cut the call, and we should call them in audio call, and then we need to recognize them that they are my familiar or not. If they're our familiar, we should call in video call, no problem. And if you feel safe, and if you never feel safe, I recommend you don't call them in video call. So first of all, try to talk with every person, everybody, and every unknown person, first of all in audio call, and then you're gonna video call. So if you feel safe, and if you never feel safe, you don't need to. I'm not recommend you that you should talk with them in video call, because this situation, this time, this is pretty dangerous time, and the cybercrime is one of the most popular crime right now, which is the real crime in physical crime is pretty low level. That's why. That's why we should must be careful from cyber crime. And cybercrime is a biggest crime, and it's a social crisis right now. What I have seen in Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, US, Canada, UK, and more than a country, I have seen this is gonna most crime that is high top level. This robbery just not for in a house. This robbery just robbing you, that can make a family just they just kill a family totally. So we should must be careful about this. And if someone call us in video call, we must should call them in audio call. First of all, cut the call if unknown number from any call you get from unknown number, and first of all you cut the call and just talk to them in audio call. And if you feel safe that they are not any cyber criminal, or you are safe to them, and then you can call them in or in video call. But yet you try to protect your identity. You should protect your manners. And because this situation is totally going bad, which is not good situation for everyone, where any man, female, they are not safe in the world in the recent time. So sometimes I told myself that, hey Galip, I love you so much, but I can't believe you about your mistakes, about your sins. Why? Because I am a human. I can make mistake, I can make sins, and I have to come back to Allah. So we have to must be careful about everything. So hopefully this video gonna helpful video for you. And if you feel something good, that video can help you to know something, and share this video to your family members, to your friends or another, that this video, if they watch this video, they can feel something uh, free, that can they need to protect themselves. So we should first of all protect our face. So see you in the next video inshallah, very soon. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.